Hello everyone, welcome to the Patient Counseling Event Workshop. First of all, we are very thankful for your interest in the Patient Counseling event. In this workshop, we got 3 sections. What's PCE, Junior PCE Case, Senior PCE Case. We highly recommend watching What's PCE and either Junior PCE Case or Senior PCE Case which matches your grade to have deep understanding of the case and tips for the events. In this workshop, we will talk about the information of the patient counseling event. There are 6 sections in this workshop: objective of PCE, importance of patient counseling, how to be a good counselor, steps of patient counseling, and mechanism of junior and senior PCE. Let's start with the objective of patient counseling event. PCE aims to remind pharmacy students of the importance of patient counseling, learn good patient counseling procedures, and improve patient counseling skills. As a pharmacist, patient counseling is one of the most important skills we have to master. What do you think is the importance of counseling is? Let's check it out. First, patient counseling is essential to provide safe and effective medication intake. Second, it can improve medication adherence and patients' ability to take proper medication such as inhalers. Third, through counseling, we can check the patient's understanding of the medication. Fourth, patients can identify the side effect and the drug interactions so we can minimize critical medical accidents. Through the above things, we ultimately can enhance therapeutic outcomes. Have you ever thought about the ways we can be a good counselor? From now on, we will give you 6 methods to be a good patient counselor. First, you have to establish trust. By building trust with patients will open up their minds to you. In order to build trust, first you have to have competence in knowledge. Second, you have to be honest. Third, confidentiality and caring are also really important to build trust. And last, you have to show respect to them. Communication can be done verbally and non-verbally. For effective communication, we should use both. First, via verbal communication, pharmacists can assess a patient's health condition. Second, as non-verbal communication, eye contact is important to show your attention to the patient. We have to develop our skills to read non-verbal messages from patients as well. You also have to listen and ask questions to the patients. We ask questions to gather more information from patients, and for this, the question should be an open-ended question. For example, what symptoms are you experiencing? What did the doctor tell you about this medication? Did these tablets help you last time? Did you feel better? To make patients feel more comfortable, you should show empathy and encouragement. Emphasize the importance of adherence to medication regimens and motivate patients to take an active role in their health care. Let me give you a brief step of patient counseling. Step 1. Greet the patient. Step 2. Introduce yourself as a pharmacist and check the patient identity. Step 3. Review of patient medical history, medication records. Step 4. Seek information from patients regarding medication, understanding of disease, and other supplementary information. For example, previous allergies, past medication, smoking, alcohol history, and etc. Step 5. Counseling content is the main part of the session. For example, information about drugs such as name, strength, duration of effect, side effects, and etc. Step 6. Closing the session. In this step, you have to make sure that the patient's understanding of their medication by asking simple questions such as, which is a blood pressure drug? How many will you take in a day? Now let's look at Junior PCE. We will walk down to timeline, rules and information, and awards. Please check out the important timeline here for Junior PCE schedules. You can also find a timeline from Call for Participants. This workshop is about the general idea of PCE. At the workshop of Junior PCE case section, the given case will be revealed and you will have an explanation about it. Junior PCE starts on July 27th, 5 to 5:30 p.m. Please check the time zone and start the event at the right time. In case of a tie, submission time and year of studies will be taken into account for the winner selection. The answer video will be released the day after the competition. We will upload the video to both Virtual Seoul and WC YouTube channel. The final winner and runners-up will be announced via Gala Night on August 1st. So, let me give you a scheme of the Junior PCE. Firstly, click on the link that will be provided in an email. The link will be provided in an email. Secondly, read a detail of the case for 10 minutes. Thirdly, answer the question. There are objective questions and short answer questions. Lastly, submit your answer on time for 20 minutes. Let's now turn to rules and information. Participants can submit the answer form only once. If a participant submits the form more than one time, the first submission will be evaluated. You should answer the question in 20 minutes and it will automatically be submitted after 20 minutes. Types of questions are objective questions and short answer questions, and the number of questions is 16. There are two general rules for the Junior PCE. First, never tell others about the case. Second, you have to submit the answer only in English. Grading will be done within 24 hours, but it is difficult to send an email to all participants with their score. So the answer video will be uploaded on Virtual Seoul platform and WC YouTube channel. Please check it out and match it with your answer. Speaking of the event, it cannot be discussed without the awards. All participants will receive certificates of participation. Winning teams that are listed for the top 3 will get prizes. The winner will get €300, first runner-up will get €100, and second runner-up will get €50. Now let's look into Senior PCE. We will walk down to timeline, rules and information, and awards. Please check out the important timeline here for Senior PCE schedules. You can also find a timeline from Carl for participants. This workshop is about the general idea of PCE. At the workshop of Senior PCE case section, the given case will be revealed and you will have an explanation about it. Senior PCE starts on July 27th, 5 to 8:30 p.m. Please check the time zone and start the event at the right time. The final winner and runners-up will be announced via Gala Night on August 1st. So let me give you a scheme of the Junior PCE. Firstly, click on the link that will be provided in an email. The link will be provided by the IPSF WCRCs. Secondly, identify participants and check the video and audio. Thirdly, read a detail of the case for 10 minutes. Lastly, counsel roleplay for a maximum of 15 minutes and you will be given a brief oral feedback. There are 5 general rules for the Senior PCE. First, you have to enter an online meeting room before the start. Second, never tell others about the case. Third, it will be conducted in English. Fourth, as the competition is being held online, please check your network connection is stable. We will not be liable for any situations caused by the participants' technical problems. The judges will mark the answer based on evaluation criteria, and if necessary, judges will give you feedback. So please do not react strongly against the score and be polite to judges. Speaking of the event, it cannot be discussed without awards. All participants will be receiving certificates of participation. Winning teams that are listed for the top 3 will get prizes. The winner will get €300, first runner-up will get €100, second runner-up will get €50. Thank you for attending the workshop of What's PCE. I hope this was informative for you to understand the overall what PCE is and the process of PCE for World Congress 2021.